Hey everyone, Scoop Scientist here. For today's video, I want to try and make a Pringle Cannon. So, I got a Pringle container here, it's empty. Rubbing alcohol, and a piezoelectric igniter, I believe it's called. Now, where I got this was from my trusty little blowtorch. This is the remains of it as well, so there's the remains of the gas coming out. It was actually broken. It stopped igniting the flame, so I decided to take it apart. I'm going to use this for something else. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll keep you posted on that. And I got this out of it, which was the little igniter. So the plan is, I want to get some of this, the rubbing alcohol, put it in the Pringle container. You shake it around so you get the alcohol fumes in there, and I want to put two little holes down the bottom there so this spark can then ignite the fumes, hopefully blowing off the top of the Pringle container. So first what I'm going to do is test to see if this can actually light, because if it doesn't, then we have an issue. But let's do that now. Alright, so I'm just going to get a tiny bit like that onto that lid. I got some matches here. Oh dear. These are very dodgy matches. Come on. Nope, the matches are not going to be working for me. Let's try another one. Oh, look at that. Now, surprisingly, it's burning with a yellow flame. Generally, alcohol burns with a blue flame, but hopefully that shouldn't be too much of an issue. So, well, I know that it burns now, so let's move on and see if I can make this Pringle Cannon work. So I have some scrap wire here from broken computer fans. I'm going to extend this and this wire here just so I can ignite the cannon from a safer distance. So I'm going to strip the ends off all of these wires using these. I don't have actual proper wire strippers, but hopefully these should do just fine. Let's pull that, come on. Like so. I'm going to twist it. And don't need that black one, let's use this blue one here. There we go, twist that. And that end is stripped as well. Now let's put it together. Just by overlapping these two wires here and twisting them. Now I'm going to hold it all together with highly conductive aluminium tape. Probably not the best thing to use, but that's all I had. Okay, there's that fixed, and get some more of this. Like so. Now I'm going to test to see if this actually produces a spark. Yep, just up the top there. Awesome. So now that I know it produces a spark, next step of this build is to put little holes for the wires in here. What have I got for that? Here we go. A little screwdriver. Now I only want very tiny holes, so let's not push too hard. So just twist. You can almost feel it coming through. Okay, that's wow. That's through. I'm just thinking maybe only one hole will do. I'll put both the wires through and then have a spacer so I can add a gap between them. Alright, just like that. The wires are through. Now I'm going to grab some tape and tape it on the outside to secure them in position and block off any gaps that are around them so no alcohol fumes escape. Come on, stop sticking so well. Aluminium tape definitely is the stickiest tape I've ever worked with. There we go. So that's taped securely on the outside and on the inside. I wonder if it's already spaced enough actually. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see a spark. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see the spark at the top, but you probably can't. So I got that much space. The blue cable's a bit longer than the yellow one, but that'll be fine. Alright, now some of this rubbing alcohol. Hopefully this will work. So what the next stage to this is I need to put a small amount of rubbing alcohol into this Pringle container, give it a small shake around, and then tip out any liquid that remains, and hopefully the gas and the fumes will stay in there. So I'm gonna move everything outside. Please mind the wind a bit. Okay, so I'm outside. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. But I've got the cannon, the alcohol, and let's hope this works. Alright, so I'm gonna put the alcohol in the container. Just a splash should be enough. Let's put this on and go very careful with the shaking around. I kind of wonder if I have to tip out any of the liquid. I'll just try it without tipping out any. So you ready? Okay, it's not working when I am with the liquid in there, so I'm going to shake it out. See if I can get that liquid going. The fume, sorry. Alright. So far, I just haven't been able to get the alcohol fumes to light with this piezoelectric generator. So this video has been a fail so far, but I don't want to leave you guys empty-handed. I want this to explode. At least the top pop off. So I've had an idea. The Pringle Cannon just wouldn't work. So another thing to add to the list of things that don't work today. So for the final thing I'm going to try is this. It's a pretty heavy duty container. It's all plastic. So if this actually works, then it's going to make a pretty hefty bang. So I'm going to do all the same thing, fill it with water, add some of the drain cleaner and some aluminium, and we'll see how that goes. There we go. So the container didn't actually break, the lid just popped off, but you saw that it launched like a rocket, so I'm pretty happy about that. This stuff is really warm, probably shouldn't be touching it, so I'm gonna go wash my hands off. But if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this.